Hello. In this presentation, we will outline the Rhydywaun processes for publishing results and our grade review and appeals processes. Year 11 provisional results for WJC, GCSE and Welsh Baccalaureate Skills Challenge Certificate qualifications will be posted on Monday the 14th of June 2021. Year 13 provisional results for WJC A-Level and Welsh Baccalaureate Skills Challenge Certificate qualifications will also be posted on Monday the 14th of June. Year 12 provisional results for WJC AS qualifications will be distributed at registration time on Tuesday the 15th of June. Pupils should email gravi2021@rhydywaun.org if they have not received the results by Wednesday the 18th of June. The following qualifications will not be on your provisional results sheet. This is because these qualifications come under the control of Ofqual in England, who follow a slightly different regime. Pupils will receive these results in August. After pupils receive their provisional results, and they think the school has made a mistake in how we decided on your grade, the pupil can ask us to review it. Please note, this request must come from the pupil. There are specific steps they must follow. These are the steps of the WJC and Qualifications Wales. Stage 1 is the centre review, which is an internal review by the school. Stage 2 is an appeal to WJC, and Stage 3 is an appeal to Qualifications Wales. Pupils and parents should not email teachers or heads of progress and welfare to question grades. The steps in this presentation must be followed, and pupils must stick to the strict closing dates. Step 1A of the centre review process is to ask to see a learner decision record. Pupils can apply to see their record in specific subjects. This will help them understand how the school determined their grade. The application form must be completed by following a link in their school email or by using the QR code. Only pupils can request this review. One application form will need to be completed for each separate qualification. Pupils will need to be specific about the subjects, that is, don't just specify Cymraeg. Say if you're applying for Cymraeg Iaith or Cymraeg Llenyddiaeth. Similarly, specify whether Mathemateg or Mathemateg Rhyfedd, for example. The qualification titles are on the provisional results sheet. Pupils will need to use their school email account to access the application form. The CAM 1A closing date is 4 o'clock on Monday the 21st of June 2021. We will not accept any requests by email or applications after the closing date. After considering their learner decision record, if the pupil believes the school has made a mistake in determining their grade, they can progress to CAM 1B, Step 1B, of the centre review. The summer 2021 grades will be determined on holistic judgement rather than a mark system. Teachers will not remark assessments. This is not an opportunity for pupils to ask the school to consider other evidence in place of the evidence in the learner decision record. The evidence used to determine their grades is part of the school's assessment map and plan, and these have been approved by the WJC. Pupils should not apply just because they disagree with the grade or that the school has given or that they feel they deserve a better grade. Pupils should explain briefly and clearly what error they consider has taken place in determining the grade. They should refer to the information in the learner decision record. They should only provide information that is relevant to the error they consider has been made by the school in the determination of the grade. If the information provided in the form is not based on an error in determining the grade, the school will return the form to the pupil without further action. We will not accept any requests by email or applications after the closing date. One application form will be needed to be completed for each separate qualification. Only pupils can request a review. Pupils will need to use their email account, say that, Rhydywaun, to access the application form. Pupils must confirm on the form that they understand that the provisional grade may go down, go up, or remain the same following the review. The closing date for CAM 1B is Friday the 2nd of July 2021 at 4 p.m. We will let pupils know the results of the CAM 1B review by Friday the 9th of July 2021 at 4 p.m. If, after receiving the CAM 1B result, pupils still believe that there is a mistake in their grade, they can consider whether to appeal to WJEC in August. This is CAM 2. And only pupils can request a WJEC appeal for CAM 2. Here are some details for CAM 2, or Stage 2, of the WJEC appeal. Pupils must have completed CAM 1B before considering applying for CAM 2. We will provide further details to those pupils who have completed CAM 1B and wish to progress further. We will publish the final results for each qualification in August. Results will be available to years 12 and 13 pupils from 8 a.m. on the 10th of August 2021 in the school hall. Results will be available to year 11 pupils from 9 a.m. of August the 12th, 2021 in the school hall. Details of how to appeal the qualifications from the other awarding organisations will also be available to you in August. This email address must be used, graddai2021@rhydywaun.org, if you have a question about the process. School staff should not be contacted directly. We will not be able to discuss any grades. If pupils want to review or query grades, they must go through CAM 1A and CAM 1B. Additional information has been emailed to pupils. The information has also been sent to parents and guardians through class chats. The information includes a WJEC quick guide, information from Qualifications Wales and WJEC, important deadlines, and links to the CAM 1A and CAM 1B forms. Thank you.